Here we have a Lufthansa A321 going off to Frankfurt. Very nice plane. It's still sitting light though, but it's in the clouds though. Finnair A319 going off to Helsinki from Manchester. You can probably hear something downstairs, guys. I'm not 100% sure what it is. It's quite noisy here at the moment, but anyway, just ignore that. Finnair A319. Here we have an EasyJet A320, which is taking off from Manchester and it's going off to Copenhagen. It's got wingtips, by the way, if you guys wanted to know. Some A320s don't and some A320s do. See ya. We have an EasyJet A320 with wingtips off to Amsterdam Schiphol. By the way, Virgin Atlantic have just started doing a night flight from Manchester to Dubai. Well, I think that is anyway. I'm going to try and catch that on this video. Be later on though. You have Scandinavian Airlines Airbus A321 off to Copenhagen from Manchester. All these planes taken off from Manchester. It's my dad on the phone, sorry. I wouldn't swear on my channel, it's just that he's on the phone. There's always going to be some swearing then. The plane's going to have a second. Over there we have a Norwegian Airlines 737, which is off to Copenhagen. It's just gone into the clouds, I think, at the moment, yeah. Wait a second, let me just get it back onto view. There. Show up in a second, yeah. There it is. Norwegian 737 off to Copenhagen. They have a Scandinavian Airlines 737 off to Stockholm. Not sure what it's doing over there. Looks like it's going to go across the Atlantic Ocean. Oh no, it's turning now. It's just gone into the cloud. Loganair Bombardier Q400 off to Norwich. My sister in the background said, guys. Yeah, I think that's gone out of view already. It has.